Welcome, ITS tutors. Um, to create an FAQ, right, log into your account um, that I've set up for you in OTRS, right? So I'm going to log in mine. And then you're going to be, doing FAQs, right? So here I'm going to do just explore. And you can see now, right now, I only got one, right? And I have one here. And the format is this, really there's 4 boxes here. I'm going to show you that 4 boxes here like this. But what the customer can only see is the top 3. Um, I will send you out a document on, the format, how to do this. Essentially, it's this. It's the symptom are what kind of things that your customer, your student may see, different things that give an indication that this is happening. What is the problem? Well, one concise sentence is really good. And then, a paragraph to kind of explain things. Yeah, just to be friendly. One paragraph is usually good. I put in a couple of here, but, one paragraph is, one good. And, again, I misspelled over here, so I'm going to go and edit over there. And then must be misspell. Okay, like this and misspell. So again, I had it like this, right? Spelled. Yeah, I gotta get over like this, right? So I can do it here like this, and I'm gonna go and update it. Now, so you can kind of see, and I do recommend Times New Roman. And the only reason for that is because, the only reason for that is because, my training, a billion years ago said that serif fonts are easier to read. Serif are these guys with little kind of tails here on the top and the bottom and that kind of stuff. So, Times New Roman, and, just to be consistent, right? Just to be consistent, let's use Times New Roman. In my document, I do say, steps. The reason why I did it like this is so that I can go ahead and copy it. And in our studio, the hashtag is a comment. So you may want to consider that if you're going to be doing it with other languages, right? So I'm going to, do that. And of course, it's not going to work because I don't have the, the right names of stuff, right? But, I can go ahead and, run this and, install the packages. So just so that, I can copy and paste if that's what the student wanted to do. So again, I'm going to not be able to connect up. And the reason why is because I have the wrong name of the database, the wrong name of the server, those kind of things. So it's going to give me an error message. You might want to pay attention because that's the type of error message that they're going to find, right? So, essentially it's going to say not found, right? Like they're not found over there, and I had the data loaded before, so that's why he found something. Yeah, but it says over here, kind of find nothing and kind of, all these kind of error messages. Yeah. So anyway, to get back, to create an FAQ, the way you do it is, do like this, come in and just click on new. I'll give it a name now. I'm going to kind of the same name, but I'm going to give it, number 2, whatever, just so you can see the difference. You can give it some keywords. Keywords are like metadata, so you can say SQL, server, RStudio, just kind of some keywords inside there that they may want to do a search on it. This category is, under what category, what class is under. So, like here, all the classes are listed, right? I'm just going to make this over here. Please make this a customer so your customer can see it. English language is valid. Now, once again, for the So the symptoms, you type in a symptom error messages, right? Something like that. And try to get messages. And don't be like me and have all these misspelling, right? Yeah. And you type in your error messages, whatever they may be, warnings, invalid data, what have you. Yeah. And then the problem, unable to connect to database. Yeah. And then, maybe a couple lines here, maybe one line for the problem. And then for the solution, again, try to follow that format. Again, I'm just going to kind of copy what I have over here, copy. And I'm just going to paste it in. And again, I'm going to go and change the font because I like Times New Roman. And again, it's not real important, I guess. I'm going to change the sign to 16. Just it's not real important, I guess. But what it does is give your look and feel some sense of uniformity. In essence, when you develop an FAQ, it's supposed to look like it was done by one person and not by a team of people. Okay. And then, put in a comment. A comment is not what your customer will see, but, this is something that you might want to get up. So I'm going to say may want to include, maybe want to include information on how to find the server name. Now, the reason why I don't include it on this one is because, an FAQ is supposed to be focused. Don't try and do everything that you can do in one FAQ, right? In fact, if they wanted to find this information over here, I would probably develop another FAQ, right? Then you go ahead and create. Now, you just created now. So if I come to FAQ and Explore, and if I look at 149, now I got two, right? I got one here, the one I just made, as well as the one I did earlier today. Now, my customer, I'm going to come back to kccnow.com. This time I'm going to click on the customer link and I'm going to do Donald Duck, right? D-Duck. And capital P @ SSWORD, 0RD, right? So I'm going to come over here and let's go see if Donald Duck can see it. Donald Duck can see this over here. Donald Duck can see my second one over here. Yeah. And Donald Duck can see the first one over here. Yeah. Okay, like this, right? So, if I want to, I'm going to go back, to the tickets over here for Donald Duck. I'm going to come back to my account over here. And, if I wanted to, I can go ahead and delete this guy, right? So I can go and click on my second one over here. I can delete it. Don't delete other people, don't you? Like this, so you can go ahead and do that. Yeah. So that's how you create an FAQ. Now I'm going to give a kind of a template document out to you, as well as a PowerPoint. And go ahead and try. If you have problems, give me a call or send me an email. Dr. Singer has already a list for his 227 course. Okay, we'll see you.